10. Fun facts about the Bronze Age. The Bronze Age began sometime around 3300 BCE. However, this changes depending on the area of the world. Different places across the globe entered the Bronze Age at different times. The Bronze Age lasted for approximately 2,000 years and dominated most of the ancient world, ending sometime around 1200s BCE. One of the earliest civilizations of the Bronze Age, the Sumerians in Mesopotamia, modern-day Iraq. Sumerians invented or improved a wide range of technology, including the wheel, cuneiform script, arithmetic, geometry, irrigation, saws and other tools, sandals, chariots, harpoons, and beer. Although Stonehenge was constructed in the Neolithic era, it continued to be an important site during the Bronze Age. This period saw the addition of burial mounds and artifacts, indicating ongoing use and significance. Minoan civilization, Bronze Age civilization of Crete that flourished from about 3000 BCE to about 1100s BCE. Its name derives from Minos, either a dynastic title or the name of a particular ruler of Crete who has a place in Greek legend. The Bronze Age is famous for the construction of the pyramids in ancient Egypt. The Great Pyramid of Giza, completed around 2560 BCE, was the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. Pyramids today stand as a reminder of the ancient Egyptian glorification of life after death, and in fact, the pyramids were built as monuments to house the tombs of the pharaohs. Death was seen as merely the beginning of a journey to the other world. The Hittites, an Anatolian civilization, signed one of the earliest known peace treaties with Egypt. The Treaty of Kadesh from around 1259 BCE was an agreement between the Hittite king Muwatalli II and Egyptian pharaoh Ramses II. The treaty marked the end of a long war between the Hittite Empire and the Egyptians, who had fought for over 2 centuries to gain mastery over the lands of the eastern Mediterranean. Found in central Anatolia, Turkey, on the site of the old Hittite capital Hattusa, it records the text in cuneiform script. The Bronze Age also saw the rise of the Indus Valley Civilization, present-day Pakistan and northwest India. The Indus cities are noted for their urban planning, a technical and political process concerned with the use of land and design of the urban environment. They are also noted for their baked brick houses, elaborate drainage systems, water supply systems, and clusters of large, non-residential buildings. The Bronze Age saw the introduction of the chariot, a significant advancement in warfare and transportation. These early chariots were lightweight and drawn by horses, revolutionizing military tactics. Except Greece, Aegean Europe, and Britain, chariots were not that important in Bronze Age Europe, but were used extensively for conducting war in Asia and Egypt. The emergence of war chariots required domestication and harnessing of horses with the chariots. In Greece, the Mycenaean civilization flourished during the late Bronze Age. They are known for their palatial centers, such as Mycenae and Tiryns, and for their role in Greek mythology, including the stories of the Trojan War. Around 1200s BCE, many Bronze Age civilizations experienced a sudden decline known as the Bronze Age collapse. The reasons are still debated but include factors like climate change, invasions by the Sea Peoples, and internal societal disruptions. Until then, thanks for watching.